My video guide is about removing the browser notifications related to the site Oulnhdlukik.xyz. If you suddenly see these strange pop-ups on your computer screen, then obviously there is a problem with your browser. These pop-ups do not appear in your browser based on your personal decision. Instead, their appearance may be the trace of some adware type application to be currently enabled in the computer. You might also see some of these pop-ups in the right part of your screen, and very often they may point you to a lot of shady websites. The website Oulnhdlukik.xyz tries to make you click on the Allow button. It says that this is for the purpose of age verification, or for proving that you are not a robot, or for some other reasons. But when people mistakenly do that, when they click on Allow, the browser gets hijacked. People start getting the great number of advertisements in the right part of the screen. And to deactivate these ads, you should definitely implement some urgent browser fixes. Go to the menu, Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then go down to the Permissions area and choose Notifications. You will find some websites that are allowed to send notifications. You need to carefully research these websites and remove the ones that are malicious. For instance, in the bottom of the list we can find this site Oulnhdlukik.xyz. You need to click on this button and delete this junk site from the list. And if you see any other malicious sites here on the list, of course, don't hesitate to get rid of them. The principle for fixing other browsers is basically the same, and there is a good program that can help you automatically fix your browser and remove other hidden threats. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the software, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.